Alright, so here's the final kind of look of my bike, if you will, on the saddlebags from front to back. Kind of showing you what that looks like. So I think it turned out pretty well. Like I said before, this gap here, I bought some aftermarket lights, didn't realize really the size until I got them in. They're really small. I don't like them that small. I kind of like this size, especially with everything back here and the design of it. So probably what I'll do is end up chopping these so that this bulb fits right in here in this gap and kind of fills this in. Probably either powder coating these or painting these, probably painting these. Well, it's metal. I could probably powder coat those, but once I get these chopped, powder coating all of this black to kind of match. So just kind of getting these in here, getting that gap kind of filled in there will look good. But you can see there's the saddlebags, on the side, even from the side of the bike, the design. I think these turned out really well. Viking bags did an awesome job on here. The only thing that I don't like, Viking bags, if you could change this up, I've got multiple keys. So you have to have a key to release these, kind of the quick release. Not a big deal if that was, I think it's the same for both sides, if I remember correctly. But the bags, these are different keys for each side. So that's kind of annoying. I'd rather have one key for, all of this. The other thing is, for the keys, you can't leave this unlocked. So it's got, unlocked. So when you pull the key out, it's always in a locked position. I would like to have that, where I could pull a key out and it still be unlocked, so I can easily access in and out throughout the day if I'm, jumping on and off the bike, instead of having to have that key, in there every single time I want to open my bag. It kind of sucks. So a couple other modifications. I did add this on here for my helmet. So this is a helmet lock, so I can just, instead of having to carry that around, I can lock it on here if I'm going to be leaving the bike in the helmet for a while, instead of just sitting the helmet, on the handlebars or over the mirrors. So that's kind of cool. It's out from MP. Really good design, fit perfectly on here. Your strap, of course, just kind of locks in. One key, pretty cool there. You'll probably notice too on the other or during this video, my heat wrap for my exhaust, for my headers here, this was fading. So it was kind of a charcoal color, kind of a black, but it was fading big time. They actually make a spray paint for this, for the heat shield wrap, and so I painted these to make them kind of be back black, and I've washed it a few times, and that has kind of stayed. So pretty good stuff there. The other thing on the front, I got rid of, I used to have, turn signals here. Those are gone as well, and integrated that into my mirrors here. So these are really cool. The only problem that I'm having with these mirrors, anytime you add LEDs in, you're going to have what's called a hyper flash. I can get rid of the hyper flash. It's not a problem. However, with certain resistors and stuff like that you can buy, not a problem. I can get rid of that. However, when I throw the resistors on there, it dims this light so much you can't even see it. At night you could see the glow, but during the day you can't see it at all. So I'm just dealing with a hyper flash right now. So I'm sure it's either voltage or ohms or whatever I've got to get adjusted correctly. If y'all know maybe what I need, I've tried multiple different ones and I cannot get the combination correct or right in order to add that in. So I'm sure they have some type of resistor already probably added on the internals of this. I'm not willing to kind of break this all apart and be able to possibly break that in order to find out. So, but it is what it is. I think I like the look of the bike now, with the different mirrors and those turn signals gone for now. So like it. Leave in the comments, kind of tell me what you think. But the Viking bags turned out really well, so I'm happy, I'm pleased. If you have any questions, anything like that, if you're getting these Viking bags and have any questions, concerns, comments, anything like that, let me know. and I'll be happy to hopefully help you out if you're looking to get these bags or have any questions about them. I've had these on for several months now, and they worked out really well. Like them, no complaints. My only thing is the keys. Like I said, having to have multiple keys. One key would have been great, or maybe two at the max, instead of 3 different keys. And then, you know, not being able to pull the key out without having to lock the bag back, that's annoying as well. I'd rather be able to leave that bag either locked or unlocked. My preference in being able to pull the key out. So Viking, just a little FYI there, and possible change for future designs. Anyways, this is Dave signing out. Hopefully you like this project. Stay tuned. I'll have many more projects coming on this YouTube page. Don't forget to subscribe, please. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and I'll be bringing y'all way more videos, whether it's on a bike, motorcycle, off-roading, golf cart. There's no telling what I'll be into next. My boat, whatever it is, I'll be sharing those projects on this page. So make sure you, like I said, subscribe and like, and I'll see y'all next time.